Hi there and welcome to our Disney vlog series. This time we're off to Walt Disney World and me and the hubby who's there, we're going together for 2 weeks and we're going to take you along with us. So we stayed last night in the Premier Inn at Gatwick and this is our travel day. Please enjoy. Cue the music. So we've arrived in Orlando and actually 45 minutes from getting off the plane due to security. We're going to get our bags and we're in. And we're in the departure school. So Mark's just going to get a drink and we're going to then order an Uber to take us to our hotel. So we've arrived at our hotel, the Aventura Hotel in Universal, and it's really cool. We've got a nice view. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So we've walked straight in and here's the sofa with our bags on. A nice king bed here. Here's the iPad that controls everything. You've got the massive TV, a coffee maker, and then I'll show you the view. Hey Mark. So you've got Cabana Bay, but then if you go here, you can see the lovely Volcano Bay, which is really pretty. Then the bathroom, so you've got one sink. And here, some soap. And then in here, which is actually a toilet and a shower, but you also have got like a door here, so you can put it along. And then you're given shampoo and conditioner and quite a good shower. Nice basic room, that would do us for 2 nights. So this is the iPad you get to use in the room. So I'm just brought it over. So Mark's name. I booked the hotel. What is his name? I want to go and see what I can do in here. So the room controls. And I can set the lights and the temperature. So let's do lights. What do I want to do? Ooh! Ooh! All the lights went off. As you hear, you can actually talk to the front desk, which is quite cool. But I don't need to, so it's fine. And tools, Bible, that's quite cool. Services, so alarm request items, okay. Oh, so what sort of stuff can you request? Oh, you can request bath towels, pillow sheets. That's quite cool. I mean, look at that sunset, guys. That is insane. Right, we're gonna head downstairs, and what we're gonna do? Yum yum. See ya. Look what Mark's found now. The cupboard's here by the door, and you've got some hangers, an ironing board. Don't put your suitcase on. I guess it's more pillows. And that's a huge safe. And an iron. That's pretty cool. So we're in the lift, and this is pretty cool. It's a touch screen. I love the technology here. So we're going to number 1. But if you're coming from the lobby, you need to put your key against the thing down here before you push a button. This is the lobby, so that's where we checked in over there. Then you've got a Starbucks here, and then you've got a bar, and then you've got the urban pantry over there, and then the shop, which we're going into now. Come into urban pantry, and you can, it's like a buffet thing, you go and select the different sections. So you've got like a roast chicken, a pizza section, and so this is the pizza station. This is the roast chicken section. Chicken, you've got fried chicken, you've got roast chicken, you've got some ribs, mac and cheese, mash, you've got the burger kitchen, and last you've got the sushi and noodle station. Looks amazing. So we went for a pizza, I went for a Prosciutto pizza, gonna taste it. Mark and I are gonna share it. So it's all finished, but we did share it. Mark, out of 10, how was the food?
7.
What would have been better?
If I got to choose it, 10 if there was a bit more.
A bit more what?
A bit more food.
We were
Like
sharing
a
it.
pizza, like a 12 or something.
7, I think I'd give it an 8.5. It was pretty good bread. So we're back in the room after some yummy food and we're having a night. So it's just gone 8 o'clock. So I think we're going to bed now. We can be up early and hopefully beat the jet lag. See how we get on. So catch you tomorrow. Thanks for following along. See you tomorrow.